Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I have my sister with me this morning, and I say she's my sister because, we've been friends since high school, and she's really my sister-in-law, but she was my best friend before she was my sister-in-law. I just let my brother have her for a while.
Just to borrow.
Just to borrow. So I had the most wonderful weekend. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Um, I'm full of surprises because, Saturday we had my granddaughter's birthday party, Saturday evening, and it was just a good time to be with family and stuff. And she turned 3, and she's just full of herself, and kids and stuff running around. It was just fun. And then yesterday we had church, and I went to church, and my one of my very good friends and pastor was there from Seattle, and they all surprised me yesterday. My daughter said she was going out of town, and she wouldn't be here for my birthday. Turns out she was there for my birthday, and we had a birthday dinner after church with
17.
It was more than that. The 2 girls.
Almost 20.
Almost 20 people at my birthday dinner. I was like blown away. But I was blown away that Kent and Alex and Beck were there. They're in Seattle. They're probably in Seattle now again. But I was just so blown away. And special friends from church and my family and stuff. It was just amazing time yesterday. We had so much fun. And then after the birthday dinner and everybody had left, my grandchildren came over, and we played at the little park at my house for quite a long time. It was just wonderful spending time with my grandchildren. Every time I get to spend time with my grandkids, it's just a true blessing for me. So, and we went shopping yesterday. Suzanne and my daughter and the grandkids and all, we went shopping. My daughter wanted to go find some school clothes. I really think that was a disguise to get clothes for everybody else too. But we had a good time with the kids and stuff. And so I got some birthday gifties I'd like to share real quick with you. While we were shopping, my daughter brought me this exercise top, and it was so cute. And this is what it looks like, and then that's the back. And I'm like, yeah, because I exercise so much. But, it's really cute. And then she bought me a pair of shoes. Really cute. She's got tired of seeing my little sandals, flip-flops that I wear that are broke, but I still wear them. But these are them. Really cute. They have the little memory foam stuff in them, so it makes it nice to walk. And then, of course, my sissy comes to church yesterday with red velvet cupcakes that are definitely not on our keto diet.
You got your ponytail?
Oh, yeah, my ponytail holder in my head. But my daughter bought me ponytail holder stuff yesterday. It's the kind that looks like to me, it reminds me of the key rings, the spiral key rings that you hang on the stretchy kind of stuff. And I thought, man, those will tangle up your hair, but it really doesn't. Anyway, so, and my sissy came to church yesterday with red velvet cupcakes that were definitely not keto. Donna did not have a keto day yesterday at all, because we all demolished.
I didn't either.
Yeah, we all demolished them. My sister's on keto too. She's lost over 150 pounds.
No.
No?
140.
140? Well, almost there. Okay, technically.
Can't it till
and my brother has lost over 100 pounds, and so it's been amazing. But yesterday we did not do that. And so then she shows up at the restaurant with a strawberry cake.
Not keto.
Not keto.
It was cheat day.
It was cheat day. I had all those yummy rolls. We went to Texas Roadhouse, and I had all those yummy
I did not eat rolls.
You didn't eat rolls?
I did not eat rolls.
Well, you're good, because I did. I ate 2 of them.
I did eat cheese sticks.
I didn't get no cheese sticks.
You were not at my table. Next time, sit with me.
Ah, mercy. Well, we had such a big group. They had like a booth here and a long table in the middle, and then a booth here. And that's where we all sat, but we could all see each other and everything.
We had like 5 tables pushed together.
Yeah, we had a big crowd. Like I said, I think it was either 19 or 20 people, but anyway. And my grandchildren they made me special gifts. And I was just, of course, these are the most precious gifts. So Lily, my 3-year-old, made me something for a spoon rest for my kitchen, because she knows Meemaw loves the beach and stuff. So she made me a whale spoon holder. Isn't that cute? And it says, "Happy birthday 2019, Lily." Okay, she was still 2 when she painted that, but that's just precious. Thomas like, "Well, if that's not all painted, it doesn't matter. It's beautiful to me," because she did that. And then Thomas, he likes to leave an everlasting impression, apparently. But he painted his sea colors. It's not a sea thing, but he made me a little plate, and it says, "Happy birthday," and Thomas, and they etched his hand print inside of it. So he said I could remember how old he was then.
Sweet.
I know. And so he's 5, and that's the back of it. He said, "Meemaw, did you see the back? Did you see the back, Meemaw? Did you see the back?" And I turned it over. I said, "Yes, Thomas, I saw the back." But they're so cute. They love crafting too. They love making stuff. So those are precious. I'm going to have to find a place to put them. I will use this as a spoon rest. Yes, I will. So Lily comes to my house. You can see that Meemaw used her gift. And I'm going to have to hang Thomas's plate up somewhere.
I'm taking you on a shopping spree.
Yeah, Suzanne's getting ready to take me on a shopping spree. Guess where we're going?
Her favorite store?
My favorite store. And I'm not going to tell you. So if you know what my favorite store is, you put it down below in the comment box, and we'll see if you're right.
We'll send you something. We'll buy something while we're there at the favorite store.
That's right. And we'll send it to you.
That's a surprise, too, because we don't even know what we're buying.
Yeah, we don't know what we're buying yet either, so. All right, so let's think about this week. Oh, yeah, here's my coffee, okay? I didn't do her coffee this morning. I'm so sorry. I offered to go get her a cup of coffee, and she said no, because it was old.
Right.
But anyway. So this week, of course, I had my daily devotion already today, and we're doing Monday morning coffee. And then if I have any mail or anything, when we go to the post office today, I'll share that with you. And then tomorrow, we will have a Dollar Tree haul, a small one. I still want to do like a shop along with me, but I don't know what's going on with Dollar Tree, because I've never had a problem videoing in the stores before, and now a couple of them have asked me not to do it anymore. Not my main store, but just a couple of them, so we'll see. I just kind of do it on the sly anyway. But anyway, let's see. Wednesday, I have a special treat on Wednesday. Okay, I know lots of people have done Christmas in July. And I had tended on doing Christmas in July. But yeah, I didn't. Because I'm in this big remodel of my house here. And on a budget. And when I get through, I'm going to show you how to turn a small apartment into a beautiful space on a limited budget. So I've had less than $50 to redo my house. And I'm getting it done, hopefully. But Wednesday, I digress, sorry. Wednesday, I am going to have some Christmas in July projects. It's still July. It might be July 31st, but it's still July. So I'll have some projects on Wednesdays to share with you. And then if you want to see tutorials and things like that, you can let me know. And maybe I'll go back and do a tutorial. A couple of them I may film doing it. I may go ahead and put the film up. It's just a long video, and so some of you like long videos, some of you don't like long videos. I don't know. I'll make that decision. If I can get the video, if I can get a cord like I want to.
Not going to find that at Dollar Tree.
No, I've looked there before. And I can't even find it at Walmart. Well, they had one, but it was the wrong size. But I need a connector cord that I can transfer my videos and stuff over to my tablet so that I can edit them with Video Pro. It's a really nice program, and it works really well. I've done one on there that I filmed on my tablet, and it works great. It's just I need to be able to find the transfer cable, and it has to be one that has two like little micro ends on the end of it. You know, like you plug your Android phone up with. You know, you plug it in. Sorry, y'all. I just spaced out. There was a wasp flying around my screen, and it got my attention. Sorry, bird, squirrel. Anyway, so I am going to be doing that on Wednesday, and I'll try to figure it out for you. On Thursday, I am starting a new series, and I did this for several of my new subscribers who are new crafters. They want, they asked me if I would do videos with step-by-step directions, like not assuming everybody knows everything and how to make different things. So this Thursday, we're going to be doing a very simplified card, but beautiful card. But it's something that everybody can do from the get-go. And of course, the instructions will be kind of, you know, step by step. So a beginner's course, that's a good word for it, yes. And so I'm going to be doing that on Friday. I don't know if I'll have a keto living, but I will try. I am trying to put much more effort into my keto journey channel. And I need to go back and change the title because I just really realized it's hashtag my keto journey, but journey is separated from hashtag my keto. Yeah, so I need to go back and fix that. But anyway, it's called hashtag my keto and then space journey. And if you've not subscribed to that channel, you need to go do that. And then I just want to re-mention about the club. We got a brand new month coming up of August, and I have some great things planned for our club members. I do have a couple of club members, and you should join too. And very reasonable, $5, $10, and $20 levels. And so you get cards and ATCs, and you get private videos that no one else sees. So yeah, think about joining that and help me continue crafting. So I think that's about it for the week. I don't know what else. I think that's it. Yeah, video-wise. If I have any more videos up, well, then just keep your eye open because you might see one. Anyway, I guess that's it. And so I'm off to have a great day with my sis over here. And continue my birthday fun, because today actually is my birthday. And but you know, it's kind of hard to celebrate birthday with everybody else, you know,
You get old.
on a Monday. What?
When you get old.
Yeah, when you get old. I'm not old. I might be old age-wise, but I'm
senile.
You know, old and senile. You hush.
I'm older than you, I can say that.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining my ramble session today. But I've just been so excited about this weekend and stuff, and I just was so excited to spend time with my daughter and my grandchildren and my family members. And for one family who came all the way from Seattle, I love them. And safe travels back, because I know they watch my channel sometimes. And so, yeah, I'm just very fortunate and very blessed, and I'm very happy today. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? It's free. Just go down there and hit that red button down there. And don't forget, when you hit that red button, the bell's going to pop up. And make sure you tap that bell that has the hugs around it. And that way you'll be notified, or should be notified, each and every time I upload a new video. All right, guys, we'll see you later. My day of fun is about to begin. Bye!